Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display. Then we can answer calls, end calls and use voice assistant. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control, manage cruise control, activate active cruise control, adjust distance of the forward car and enable or disable speed limiter. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.